guys, what's up? It's Nicole here and welcome back to another video. And for today's video is obviously we are going to make a ukulele tutorial. Okay, so for today's tutorial, we are going to play Love Story by Taylor Swift. I know this is a super throwback song. Sobrang tagal na rin netong song na to. Almost, if I'm not mistaken, 2008. But then, a lot of you are requesting for me to play this song since nauuso nga ulit to sa social media. And also make sure to press the subscribe button down below to more ukulele tutorial on my channel. Before we start our tutorial, make sure that you are on the standard tuning. Okay, to play this song, you need 7 chords. Play this song, which are C. Okay. You'll just put any of your finger. Okay, kung saan kayo comfortable. Pero I'm using ring finger for the 3rd fret. Okay, and then next we need F. Okay, place your middle finger into the 2nd fret, 4th string. And then the 1st fret, your index finger to the 2nd string. And then for A minor, okay, A minor, or tatanggalin mo na lang to. Okay, so for A minor, tatanggalin mo lang yung index finger mo. Okay, ayan. Middle finger na lang yung may iwan. Okay. And then next, let's go on with G. It's like D chord sa guitar. Okay, you're gonna put your middle finger here, 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay, index finger. Okay, 2nd fret ulit, 3rd string, and then 3rd fret, your ring finger dito. Okay, so that's G. Okay, and then next one, let's go with D. Okay, D, gagamitin mo tong 3 fingers mo dito sa 2nd fret. And then next, we are going to play A chord. Okay, it's like A minor. Okay, but then you will add your index fingers for first fret rather. And then for the last chord, okay, you are just going to bar, okay, the first 3 strings, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger to the 4th string on 4th fret. Okay, so that's B. Okay, so ayun lang yung 7 chords na kailangan mo. But mostly, gagamitin natin yung 4 chords nun. And then, sa bridge lang natin, or sa 3rd chorus natin, ilalagay yung tatlong D, A, and then B. Okay, now for the strumming pattern, super simple lang siya. You're just going to use down, 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 up, up, down, up. Okay? Down, 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 up, up, down, up. Okay, so now let's move on with the first verse. Ang chord progression niya is C, F, A minor, and then G. Okay, you are just going to play it twice. Okay, let's start. Okay, again, yung strumming pattern together with the chord progression. We were both young when I first saw you. Close my eyes when the flashback starts. I'm standing there in the balcony of summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. Okay, so now let's move on with pre-chorus. Okay, so sa pre-chorus, almost same lang siya sa chords, but then you are just going to use F, G, A minor, and then C as your chord progression. Okay? Okay, so actually, i-repeat mo dapat siya ng 2 beses, yung progression na yon. But then, yung C for the last part is, idudugtong mo na siya almost doon sa chorus. Since halos magkadugtong lang siya. It sounds like this one. Again, yung strumming pattern niya is ganun pa rin. Almost the same. That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles in my daddy says stay away from Juliet. You know I'm crying at the staircase. Baby, please don't go. the chorus, halos kadugtong lang siya, di ba, after nung pre-chorus, C. And I said, Romeo takes me. So, yung chord progression for the chorus is C, G, A minor, and F. Okay? Ayun. And then, for the last strum kanina is C. Na said, C then ulit yung balik. Okay? Romeo takes me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. You have to do is run. You'll be the prince. I'll be the princess. It's a love story. You just say yes. Okay, so now let's move ahead sa verse 2. Okay, so for the verse 2, almost same lang siya sa chord progression earlier. Ang verse which is C, F, A minor, and G. Okay, let's try. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet, guess we're dead if you knew. So close your eyes. Let's get this down for a little while. Okay, so for now, let's move on sa pre-chorus again. The pre-chorus almost same or same lang talaga kanina. Okay, which was again F, G, A minor, and then C. So, okay, now let's try. 'Cause you were Romeo, I was your scarlet letter, and my daddy says stay. Juliet, you know you're everything to me. Just begging please to go. And I said, okay, again, same chords for the chorus, which was C, G, A minor, and F. And then G, C for the last one. Romeo takes me somewhere we can be alone. I'll keep waiting. All you have to do is run. Be the prince and be a princess. It's a love story. Just say yes, Romeo. Save me to try to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's so real. Don't be afraid of this mess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Okay, so na merong solo instrumental part yon. Yung solo instrumental part is almost same lang sa chords. Okay, so now let's move on for the bridge part. Okay, for the bridge part, ang strumming or ang chord progression niya is A minor, F, C, and G. And then, single strumming pattern lang siya. Okay, and then it sounds like this. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you would never gonna coming around. My faith in you was fading. Then I met you in the outskirts of town, and I said, okay, for the next part of the bridge is, ang chord progression niya is C, G, A minor, and then F. Ayan. And let us try it. Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so low. I keep waiting, you never promised this. In my head I know what to take it down to the ground and put the ring inside. Okay, so for the verse 3, yung Marry Me Juliet, dito mo gagamitin yung chords na D, A chord, and then B. Okay, dab. D, A minor, B, and then G, A, D. Okay? Lalagay ko lang siya dito. Okay, so now let's move on, and then let's try it. Marry me, Juliet, you never gonna be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your dad and pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Uh-oh. Yun na, after nun is uh-oh. D, A, D ulit. Okay, so guys, that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm planning to make more Taylor Swift tutorials. So again, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and again, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more ukulele tutorial. And if you're requesting for more tutorials, please comment it down below. Again, this is Nicole, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much, and then goodbye.